All right, what's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back with another video. So I'm looking through my feed, just checking things out. I'm chilling, watching TV, and I said, no videos today, man. I'm just gonna chill. It's Thursday. I've done enough. Maybe I'll stream later tonight or something. But then I saw the red Galaxy Note 10 in my feed, and I was like, what the heck? I just made a video the other day about the Star Wars version and how I felt they should have made a red or a black and red version. So Samsung, once again, with the options, man. Even though people are saying that these colors were available elsewhere first in other regions, I understand that. That's fine. However, it still doesn't make it okay because now that phase about the honeymoon phase is over for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Note 10. Even though we're still in love with the devices and we use them daily. I'm recording with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus right now. However, that's not the point. The point is, if they continue to do this, consumers are gonna really get upset and stop buying these devices because they just brought out a rose color or a pink color and a red color. Now, I would have preferred to have the red color. I know it's only available for the small version, but I still would have preferred to have it. I would have made it work, because it's the same phone pretty much. Just the battery is a little bit weaker. Other than that, I bought the Galaxy Note 10, and that was my only complaint. When I had them both side by side, the 10 didn't get as good a battery as the 10 Plus. But there are plenty of ways I can fix that if I just had to. But the reality is, I'm really tired of Samsung, bringing out, and not just Samsung, but Samsung seems to do it the most. I mean, am I wrong about that one? They seem to bring out phones in different colors, and now this year they did bring a few more colors, but still they brought the blue and they got this aura. And then they have the black and the white. That's perfectly fine. But I'm speaking more in terms of bringing it out after the fact, son. This is a problem that I have with them, and I've always had it with them, especially with the Galaxy S line. The Galaxy S line, if you remember in the past, they had multiple colors drop later on down the line. So it's frustrating at best. You know what I mean? It's horrible that, and another thing is, even if you do want, now I looked through the website and the only combinations I could put together, I couldn't even put the red together in any combination. I clicked on every carrier or every version that you could possibly get, and no red was available at all. But the pink color or rose color is available on T-Mobile through Samsung. So even that is not a bad color. I wouldn't rock a rose or pink phone probably regularly, but it is nice for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Or the fellas who will rock a pink phone, I've rocked a pink phone for a little bit back in the day with my Xiaomi Mi A1, but I put a case on it. Still, the red color should be available for the Plus model too. And then they have a great deal again. They've got the trade-in deals where they give you more money for trades, and then they also get free Galaxy Buds. I just don't think it's right, man. I think it's crazy that they keep doing this to us, and it's almost like they're saying, yeah, we don't care. We're gonna have you buy all these other colors, and then we'll make a bunch of money off you that way. Then we know you're probably gonna want this other color, so you'll do whatever you can to get that color. Well, like I said in the other video, it's just a color. It's just a color. However, if you lay out all the options on the table at once, and this goes to that terminology, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is all they're doing. They're feeding us this. Then all of a sudden they say, you know what, we'll get them again. We'll get some more money off them, because some people, they won't sell their device. They won't trade it in. And they don't have a trade-in for that phone yet either, nearly anywhere that I've seen. Carriers might have a trade-in, but there's no trade-in at Samsung. Then they come back later with the completely different colors and say, we'll get them to buy this too. We're going to make money off of them twice. Since they didn't do since we made money off from the trade-in, we didn't make a lot of money off of that one. We'll make money off from the second time by bringing out a color people probably want. And on the website it says, just in time for the holidays and stuff like that. That's bogus, man. You guys need to drop these colors all at once. So if you go to Samsung's website, it's for the Galaxy Note 10 only. Again, it's not for the Plus model, but still, the 10 is a great phone. It's just like this phone. It's just smaller. You get a smaller version, and it's a good phone. With the exception for me of battery. Now there was a lot of people out there that say, "Hey Jay, the battery is fine for me, no problems." But If you in fact can put together a red combination on Samsung's website, leave it down below and let me know how you were able to do it, because I clicked through every last one of the options and I couldn't find a red Galaxy Note 10 anywhere. I only found like the pink or rose color on T-Mobile. And again, you get free buds with it, and you can get it as low as $300 if you trade in an iPhone XS Max or an iPhone, I think it's XS Max. That's the highest one. They're giving $550 for that phone right now. So I don't know, man. What do you think about Samsung doing this to us? Like, for real, what do you think about them doing this? Because it's really gotten old, man. This is getting a little old. Bringing out these colors after the fact. It's been old, but I didn't think they would go ahead and drop these new colors. It's crazy to me because, again, I said it earlier, I just talked about them bringing a red Galaxy Note 10 out in my other video on the Star Wars version. Of the two, I would definitely like a black and red model, but the full red one with the red S Pen and everything looks fantastic. So, anyway, man, it's your man Jay. Man, frustration, but not gonna let it get to me too much. Whatever, it is what it is. What do you guys think about the way they do us with these colors and the regions and everything? Leave a comment down below. You know what? Leave your rant down below, because this was definitely a rant video. See you in the next one. Take care.